What if your AI, or you, never had to learn how to create your content again? You just instantly knew how? Watch this.
Can you fly that thing?
Not yet.
Operator.
Tank, I need a pilot program for a B-212 helicopter. Hurry. Let's go.
Now that's a skill. She didn't take a course. She didn't practice for weeks. The skill to fly a helicopter got loaded in, and she just knew how to do it. Load a skill into Claude one time, and from then on, Claude just knows how to create your content. Captions, your posts, your emails, in your voice on demand. No re-explaining. No starting from scratch every time with a new prompt or having to upload your information. Build it once. Use it forever, no matter where you are working inside of Claude. It will be there ready to recall the skill whenever you need it automatically. And this is what's waiting for you inside. 7 AI specialists, your first one the minute you join. Then a brand new skill of the week every week. And when you're ready for more than skills, the 4-part Claude Masterclass. You'll build your business operating system inside Claude and put every skill you own to work. And every single month, live workshops with me, continuing to build what you need most in your business and teaching you what's new in AI. You're never behind, you're never catching up, you're always current. So join today and come build with me. See you on the inside.